Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Excel sheets. Connecting your data across different sheets or even workbooks can significantly boost your productivity and accuracy. It helps you maintain a single source of truth, reducing errors and saving valuable time. We'll cover fundamental techniques to link information, ensuring your data stays consistent and up to date. This approach allows for dynamic reports and streamlined data management, making your spreadsheets much more powerful and easier to navigate. For connections within the same workbook, simple cell references are your first step. Just type an equals sign, then click the cell you want to link. For more complex setups, named ranges offer a clear way to refer to specific data blocks, making your formulas much easier to read and manage. Additionally, the paste link feature, found under the Paste Special options, creates a dynamic link that automatically updates when the source data changes, ensuring consistency across your sheets. Connecting to external workbooks involves referencing cells in separate files. When you link to another workbook, Excel creates a formula that includes the full file path. It's crucial to keep the linked files in stable locations to avoid broken links. You can manage these external links through the Edit Links option in the Data tab, choosing to update them manually or set them to update automatically upon opening the workbook, ensuring your data is always current. For more advanced data connections, Power Query is an incredibly powerful tool. It allows you to import, transform, and combine data from various sources, including multiple Excel files, into a single, clean dataset. Functions like VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP are excellent for dynamically pulling specific data from one sheet to another based on a common identifier. For intricate relationships between many tables, consider building a data model, which provides a structured way to manage and analyze your connected information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.